Hey guys, this is Chetan from Gizmo Times and we are live from MWC 2018 where ZTE has launched a couple of smartphones, the ZTE Blade V9, the Blade V9 Vita as well as the Axon M. So firstly let's talk about the ZTE Blade V9. This smartphone comes with a 5.7-inch Full HD Plus display and there's a glossy back with different color options as well. But internally the phone comes with a Snapdragon 450 octa-core chipset at 1.8 GHz and there's a dual lens camera setup on the back with a 16 megapixel primary sensor and a 5 megapixel secondary one. On the front there's a 13 megapixel camera for the selfies and that is a fixed focus camera. The phone runs Android Oreo OS and there are a lot of options given because it's a customized interface based on Android Oreo. There are two variants, one with 3GB of RAM and 32GB internal storage and the other one with 4GB of RAM and 64GB internal storage. So let's get into the interface itself to check out what the phone has to offer. There is NFC for the data sharing and with the simple touches, so NFC helps. And then if you get into the features, there are navigation keys, schedule powering off and on, there's gesture and motion features. There's where there is a lot to offer for the better user experience. With the black screen gestures, double tap to wake, auto answer, flip to mute, snooze or stop alarms, and also change to the earpiece whenever you lift the phone from the speaker mode, and that would automatically change it to the earpiece mode. And this is the Mi Pop, that is a shortcut for the navigation buttons whenever you don't want to use them by going towards the bottom of the phone. These are the navigation button changes that you can do for the recent key and the back. And now moving to the power mode, where the battery here is 3200 mAh battery, but then for you to save more power there are a few options. One of them is this adjusting of screen resolution. The phone comes with a higher resolution, that is a Full HD Plus, but then you can change that to 720 into 1440 pixels if at all you want to save some battery at times. And here there are two options for the security, one is Fingerprint Sensor and other is the Face Verify. Face Verify is where the front camera would recognize your face and unlock the phone for you. But the fingerprint is an interesting one which has the EMUI, Huawei's EMUI like features where you can take photos, answer call, view the notification drawer, view recent apps and also view pictures using the swiping on the fingerprint sensor itself. Going into the storage, about 7.60 GB is used and 24.40 GB is available for the user in the 32 GB ROM variant. It's the Android 8.1.0 Oreo OS that is given here, and this is the 16 megapixel plus 5 megapixel combination on the back. Right now what we're using is a primary sensor because we aren't using the portrait mode for the depth sensing, and these are the different resolutions and aspect ratios that you can use. For the other features there's double tap power key, shutter tone, volume key shortcut, and also the other few options for composition and gradienter. 1080p videos is the max that you can capture, and there's also an option for video stabilizer, but that's not EIS or OIS. There's only the software enhancement to try to make the videos more stable when you're walking and taking videos that are shaky. Now there is a portrait mode that takes the advantage of two cameras there, and there's this aperture mode where you can change the aperture from f1.0 to f8.0. Let me take a quick capture, and after taking this you'll know that the picture quality is not bad at all. It has a lot of details and the colors also are retained here, but then again if you have noticed the background there's a lot of bright light here, and that is why the pictures come out to be quite good. On the front is this 13 megapixel fixed focus camera that has face recognition which helps in taking better selfies. And so this was all about the ZTE Blade V9 that comes with 3GB 32GB variant and 4GB 64GB variant, 5.7-inch Full HD Plus display and Android Oreo in top. If you want to know anything about the V9, do let us know in the comment, and do like this video, subscribe to Gizmo Times for more, and keep watching for the MWC 2018 updates. Thank you for watching.